In this video, I'll guide you through creating a custom bracket. A custom bracket is ideal for situations where you need a format that differs from the traditional one, in which each match involves 2 participants and the number of matches in each round is half of the previous round. Custom bracket tournaments offer the flexibility to include any number of participants and matches per round. To begin, select the custom bracket format either on the welcome page or in the settings section. Once you select the custom bracket, you'll be directed to the settings section, which is the starting point for your customizations. Here, click on the Customize button. The custom bracket comes with a default round, but let's modify the number of participants in this round. Next, we'll add 2 more rounds and adjust the number of participants and matches for each. Then, let's rearrange the rounds so that the final round is at the end. Don't forget to click Save after making these changes. As you can see, the bracket is now formatted according to the customizations we've made. Next, we'll proceed to the Participants section to add more participants. Finally, in the Games section, we can change the participant in each of the matches. And that's it. For more tips and how-to videos, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bracketing!